Summer residential governor schools provide high school juniors and seniors in Virginia and beyond with intensive educational experiences in visual and performing arts, humanities, medicine and health sciences, mathematics, science, technology, marine science, and engineering. Each summer residential governor school focuses on one special area of interest. Students live on a college or university campus and interact with academics and industry professionals and are immersed in hands-on experiences. Students in the summer program in the Humanities at Radford University in Radford, Virginia, will explore how modern society interacts with subjects ranging from history, literature, philosophy, political science, and more, and gain insight into the college experience for liberal arts majors. They'll gain a better understanding of their place in society and build important leadership skills that will stay with them for a lifetime. Through classroom and field experiences focused on writing, learning, and speaking, they'll experience an integration of knowledge from many disciplines and will learn from faculty and guest speakers. And they'll get to know students with similar interests through a variety of on- and off-campus learning.
Students can expect to learn about challenging problems, but also how to tackle those problems. So a lot of times students will look at problems and they might say, oh, that's too big, too challenging, too crazy. And so our program is designed to tackle a problem from a variety of different angles to make students comfortable with looking a problem in the eye and saying, I got this.
First period, I have political engagement in the 2025 election in Virginia. So we're working on looking at more of the local as well as the governor's election and seeing what strategies people have used in the past have been effective or not based on how they communicate with the media.
My favorite class is the political engagements class, just because I love politics. I'm engaged in politics, and after a law career, I do want to go into politics.
From the way the students think, the questions that they ask me, they're thought-provoking, right? They make you reconsider your views on things, reconsider the way you might tackle problems. So it's really been a rewarding experience, and I've thoroughly enjoyed interacting with, and I feel like learning just as much from the students as they've been learning from me.
The governor's school here in Virginia is extremely unique because it brings together a wide array and diverse group of students from all around the state who are exceptional in their fields of study. And it brings them together to give them an opportunity to live a residential lifestyle here on campus while they're exploring avenues and interests within their varied fields of study.
Hearing the different ideas that people have, the different perspectives, is always really empowering because you don't always get that many perspectives if you're just at your school because you're with the people that are in your same community. But here you get all of the perspectives from all over Virginia. So I've gotten to meet people from more rural places, from Southwest Virginia, from the Virginia Beach area, and it's so empowering to be able to hear what other people have to say. And we don't have to agree all the time, but it really is a fun opportunity for discussion.
I think the students here are really engaged. I've been very struck by that engagement just at first blush. I engage with a lot of students at this age, and these students in particular are extremely engaged and enthusiastic about opportunities to advance and learn and grow.
Visual and performing arts and humanities at Radford is a really fun way to be able to see the world through different lenses and be able to incorporate all parts of people's identity as well as perspective in a really fun collaborative way.
To learn more about Virginia's governor's schools, visit doe.virginia.gov.